Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Bgmi version and the matching Config OBB build. Mismatches break the game. Once done, enable unknown sources and open your file manager. You will copy the OBB into the correct android/ob/com. Pubg, immobile folder. If the folder does not exist, create it with exact lowercase name. Make sure storage permission is granted to the file manager. These steps set the foundation, so the game can read the new config on launch. Now you perform the transfer and verification. First, if your OBB is compressed, extract it so you end up with a single OB file, keep the file name exact. Next, move or copy the OB into android/ob/com. Pubg, immobile, once moved, tap the file to confirm readable size. Make sure permissions and owner are correct. If your file manager shows errors, retry with a different app. Finally, verify checksum or file size against the source, when possible to avoid corruption. You finish by launching Bgmi and granting any prompted permissions. The game should detect the OBB and load the config. If it doesn't, force stop the app, clear cache, and restart. Make sure the OBB remains in android/ob/com. Pubg, immobile and has correct name and size. If the game still crashes, reinstall Bgmi without deleting your backup, then reapply the OBB. Key troubleshooting tip: always compare the OBB size or checksum to the original to catch silent corruption early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.